Getting back on track after you fall off. Because eating clean is a way of life and not just a temporary diet, there will be times when you are not eating in as strict of a manner as other times. There will likely be times when it feels like you have completely lost your way. Here are some tips on how to get back on track when you have been derailed from eating clean, for any reason. Don't beat yourself up. Everyone slips up every now and then. If you find yourself indulging in self-loathing after falling off track with your clean eating, it is time to stop. Think of all the things you do right, and go from there. Choosing to love and respect yourself even when you are not perfect is the quickest way to deal positively with the situation at hand. Reassess your action plan. Perhaps there is a chance that your particular plan may not be working well for you. Are you restricting yourself too much? Are you skipping a meal that comes at a time when you truly need nourishment? Maybe you are going out too often to restaurants with your friends who tempt you to eat poorly and indulge. Every failure is a chance to reassess what you are doing, and whether or not it is working. Take this time to reflect and make adjustments. Make a list of the reasons you love eating clean. As they say, the grass is greener on the other side. Sometimes when you are dedicated to clean eating, you feel as though you miss your old way of eating. The fact is, when you eat clean, there are many benefits that come from it. Sit down and list them, everything from feeling proud of yourself in your new size of jeans, to enjoying your new abundance of energy. Think about how you feel both ways. Make comparisons in regards to how you feel when you are eating clean, and when you are not. Maybe you wake up feeling ready to tackle life with a clean eating diet, whereas you feel like you cannot get out of bed when you are eating junk. Go through every aspect of your life and compare that aspect when it comes to a clean eating day versus a day filled with unhealthy choices. You will soon realize how many areas of your life that your eating habits affect. Keep exercising. Your eating habits are only part of the story. Another major part is exercising. Even if you feel like your life has temporarily fallen apart when it comes to how you eat, you can keep control of exercising daily and putting in your best effort. The way you feel after exercising will help give you a boost and can be enough to get you back on track with your program. Eating right is not always easy. There will be events, holidays, and even friends who tempt you to stop putting in the effort you deserve to give to yourself and your body. Put these tips into action, and get back on track with clean eating. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos.